Week 1 starts quietly. You don't feel pregnant yet, but your body is preparing for new life. Ovulation happens now. This is when pregnancy can actually begin. Week 3 brings tiny changes, tiredness, mood shifts, and mild cramps. Missed period, this is when many women first suspect pregnancy. Nausea, vomiting, and extreme tiredness often begin now. Hormones rise fast, emotions feel stronger, and the body feels different. First trimester ends, risk lowers, and many feel some relief. Energy slowly returns, and the belly starts to show. Halfway there, baby movements may be felt for the first time. The baby is growing fast. The body works harder now. Third trimester begins. Sleeping becomes uncomfortable. Breathlessness and tiredness increase as the baby grows bigger. The body prepares for birth. Baby may move lower. Full term reached. Baby can arrive anytime now. Stay prepared. Subscribe the channel for more updates.